I'll tell you what else I've got if I wanted to get serious with it is I've got one of them overhead fans that goes up in the ceiling and spins around, you know, like this. I'm pretty sure it's in a box up there in the tin shed on the back of the garage with the blades and all that. I could hang one of them up there in the ceiling, and that'd probably get me a lot more air than this is getting me. Something to think about, something to keep me busy, something to keep me out of trouble. Oh, the joy. So I looked around and found the overhead fan that I brought down with me from Maine. It used to be up in the house up there, and I had a few more pieces of it, but I'm pretty sure it's probably in one of these boxes right in here somewhere. So I'll find all the pieces of that. I think I might put it together and put it overhead down here too. Then I'll have a little air movement down here, and yeah. So yeah, it actually feels cooler in here now than it does outside. So even with this little fan not turning any faster than it is, it's helped to cool things down in here. So that's good. That worked out good. Alrighty then. Okay then. So I think that's the reason I took that out of the bedroom up home. It used to wobble around like that. I believe there's a way to make those where they can't wobble, but I just put it up the quickest, easiest way I knew how. That'll make me a little bit of a cool spot, like if I wanted to put my thing here and do banjo work right here, I can do that. So I'm gonna let it go at that for now, and we'll come back at it maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. We'll see. See y'all later. Appreciate you. I guess the other thing good about this is I got 3 light bulb holders up there, so I can screw some light bulbs in that, and that way I'll have a lit area to work with here. Okay.